Would you like to know the truth about affiliate marketing? Many people think affiliate marketing is a quick and easy way to make some money on the site, but there's so much more to it than that. If you want to be successful, you need to find the right product to promote, build a website or a blog, and create a content that will attract readers and potential customers. There is no doubt that affiliate marketing can be a lucrative business venture, but it takes a lot of hard work and dedication to see the results. So, if you're ready to learn what it takes to be successful in affiliate marketing, watch this video till the end. Hey there, are you looking to join affiliate marketing world? Great. My name is Yogesh and I've been in this business for a while now. In this channel, my main focus is helping those who just started. By providing beginner-friendly content, I can show you the ropes and help you set up for success in this industry. So, if you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing or want to see some of my top tips and tricks, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for all the new notifications. I promise you won't regret it. So let's get started. In this video, I'll talk about the truth about affiliate marketing and what you need to know to be successful. I'll dispel some of the myths and give you tips on what you can do to start making money with affiliate marketing today. Those of you who are watching this video, let me ask you a question. Have you considered affiliate marketing as a side hustle? Let me know in the comment. Yes or no. Here are the 10 key points that you need to know about affiliate marketing. First, it's a lot of work. Affiliate marketing is a lot of work. You must find the right product to promote, build a relationship with right people, and create a content that interests your audience. You must be willing to put an effort in to be successful, and it can be very profitable. There are many ways to succeed in this industry, and you can achieve great results with the right tools and strategies. Let me give you a tip on this point. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you must build a relationship with key influencers in your niche. These people have a large followings and can help you promote your content to a broader audience. When you develop a relationship with key influencers, they will be more likely to share your content with their followers, which will help you reach a larger audience. Number 2, you need to be patient. Success in affiliate marketing takes time. You need to build up your audience and your authority before you starting any actual result. This can take months or even a year, and you must be patient. Tip: start by building an audience. This can be done by creating a valuable content and promoting it on social media. Establishing yourself as an authority in your field. This can be done by blogging, guest blogging, and networking with other experts in your industry. Number 3, believe it or not, you might not make any money. There is no guarantee that you make money from affiliate marketing. Even if you do everything right, there is no guarantee that people will click on the links and buy the product that you are promoting. Let me give you a tip on how to overcome that. Find a way to stand out. To get people to click on your link, you must find a way to stand out from the competition. This could mean creating an eye-catching graphics or using exciting headlines. Focus on quality content. If you want people to buy the products you promote, you must focus on providing high-quality content. This means writing helpful blogs and creating informative videos and providing valuable information to your audience. Now, if you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for notification so you can watch more content like this. Number 4, you could lose money. Well, nobody wants to, but it might happen if you're doing affiliate marketing. Especially if you're not careful, you could spend more money on affiliate marketing than you make in commission. This is especially true if you're investing in paid advertising to promote your link. Let me share a tip with you. First of all, create a budget and stick to it. Second, use free advertising methods such as social media and blogging to promote your affiliate links. Number 5, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Contrary to what some people believe, affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and patience to succeed. If you're looking to get a rich-quick scheme, then just look at elsewhere. Let me share you some tips. Some tips or strategy that may help you succeed in affiliate marketing. First one is diversify your traffic source. Don't rely on just one method to generate traffic to your affiliate links. Try various methods including SEO, paid advertising, and social media marketing. Number 2, choose the right affiliate program. Not all are created equal. Do your research and find programs that offer high commission and generous payout schedule. Number 3, write high quality content. Quality content is a key to attract visitors and converting them to customers. Please ensure your website is well written and informative and provide helpful related to your products that you are promoting. Number 6, you need to be knowledgeable about the products that you're promoting. To be successful at affiliate marketing, you need to be knowledge about the products that you are promoting. This means taking the time to search and understand them inside out. Only then you'll be able to promote them to your audience effectively. Let me share you a tip. Always be upfront and honest about products you're promoting. If you can't recommend them, then don't promote them. Take a time to learn about the products you're promoting. This will help better understand their benefits and how it can help your audience. Number 7, you need to be prepared for the competition. Believe it or not, there's a lot of competition in affiliate marketing, so you must be prepared for it. You will only succeed if you're willing to work and stand out from the crowd. Let's talk about the tips. Always be willing to put in the work. This means you always be willing to learn and try new things. Stand out from the crowd. This can be done by being creative and differentiating yourself from the others in your niche. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and hit the bell for notification of all the new videos. Number 8, you might get rejected. Yes. Even if you're a good fit for affiliate marketing, there is no guarantee that company will accept you into their affiliate program. Many companies have strict requirements for affiliates and they might only accept some who apply. If you're not accepted into program, don't take it personally. Keep applying till you find a company that's good fit for you. Let me share you some tips. Do your research. Before applying, you're familiar with the company's policy and guidelines. That way you'll better understand what they're looking for in affiliate and if it's right for you. Stay active on social media. Companies also look for affiliates who are engaged and active on social media. If you can share that you are engaged online community member, you have a better chance of being accepted into their programs. Number 9, you might not be suited for affiliate marketing. Yes, believe it or not. Only some people are suited for affiliate marketing. If you need to improve at promoting products or services, you might not be successful with affiliate marketing. Additionally, you might not be the right fit if you don't have the time or patience to grow an affiliate marketing business. If you need to improve at promoting products or services, find someone who is and ask for help. Use social media to promote your affiliate products or services. You can get a VA to help you with this, but only hire if you can afford it and make sense. At the end, you do want to make money in affiliate marketing. And the last one, you need to know about your target audience. If you want to be successful with affiliate marketing, then you need to know your target audience. Who are you trying to reach with your affiliate links? What are their needs and wants? Knowing your target audience makes selecting the right products or services to promote easy. Use social media to reach your target audience. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn offer excellent opportunities to connect with your potential customers and learn more about their interests. Overall, there is much more to affiliate marketing than meets the eye. Many people think it's a simple way to make extra money on the side, but a lot of work goes into it. You will only be successful if you find the right products to promote, build a website or blog, and create a content that interests potential customers. There is a lot more to it than just putting up a few links and waiting for the money to start rolling in. So, as long as you know to keep all this in mind, you can be successful in affiliate marketing. If you're still watching this video, you agree with what I have to say and are enjoying the content, could you subscribe to the channel and press the bell for notification on all the upcoming videos? I hope you enjoyed this video on truth about affiliate marketing, what you need to know. Check out my next video if you're looking for a great video to help beginners affiliate marketer achieve business success, called Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program. I reviewed the program in this video and show you how it works. You could be making money in no time being part of this affiliate program, so don't miss out. It's sure to be helpful, informative, and lots of fun. Links is somewhere on this screen. Thanks for watching.